So I have this freebie called Big Year. It's available at bettersheets.co/bigyear. But what I want to do right now is create a custom menu. Now, why am I going to do this? I'm going to create some automations around calendars and about this calendar. And before I create the automations, I just want the bare bones structure, the custom menu up here next to accessibility so that users can get used to clicking that and seeing some things. So I'm going to go up to extensions app script, and this really couldn't be easier. It's just a few lines of text, a few lines of code. Follow along with me as I do this. We're going to call this Big Year. That's the project name inside of app script, inside the sheet. So every sheet has this app script that's attached to it that you can edit and do some cool automation. The very first function we're going to write is called onOpen, and what this text is, onOpen with a capital O, well, O-N not capitalized, but open capitalized, is that we're going to trigger this every time we open the spreadsheet. But how do you do that? Well, you just type in function onOpen. That's how simple it is. You just need to know. Then what's going to happen when we actually open the spreadsheet? Well, we need our spreadsheet UI, which is variable UI equals spreadsheet app.getUI with parentheses, and we go UI.create menu. Now what this could be is you might not need the variable. If you want to do it as simple as possible, you just do spreadsheet app.getUI create menu, and inside of the parentheses here, we're going to put the name of the menu. Now, a lot of tutorials show you custom menu. I'm going to do Big Year menu because this particular sheet is called Big Year. It's a template giveaway for free, and I want the Big Year menu to be there, that it's super custom, right? Now, we can add item. Now, just for viewing's sake, I'm going to put this on a new line, but this dot add item does actually go here, and you can put it either on a new line or at the end. And now in these parentheses, there's going to be two things. I'm going to put a quotes here, comma, quotes. The very first thing is what users see. So I'm going to say, big thumbs up, go to bettersheets.co. And I'm going to put in the second quotes the function that's going to run when someone clicks that. So we're going to call this open better sheets. Actually, not open, but go to better sheets. And very important, at the end, we do add to UI. That is all we need for our menu to exist. However, we need this function to exist as well, or we're going to get an error. So I'm going to go underneath this error, underneath all of this is closed, this open parentheses, close parentheses. I'm going to write a new function, go to better sheets, with parentheses, with curly brackets, and I'm going to do something here. Before I write that script, I'm going to say, and I want to just show you that this works, this onOpen. So I'm going to close app script, I'm going to go back to my sheet, and I'm going to refresh it, or close it and open it again, so that that onOpen actually triggers. I haven't done anything else. I haven't added any triggers. That is it. I've just added that text. And look up here, you can see Big Year menu exists. If I click it, it has go to bettersheets.co. Now, nothing's going to happen. Actually, it probably will give me an error if I try to, oh, it just does nothing. There, no error at all, just does nothing. Well, let's go to extensions app script and actually do something. So inside of this function, go to better sheet, we need some HTML variable. HTML equals, and we're going to HTML service dot create HTML output, and right here we're going to write some HTML. So in paragraph P /P to end it, we're going to have an href equals something. So we need double quotes there, and that, and then /A. So this is a little bit of HTML code that says just a paragraph, but inside that paragraph put a link, A, to href, which is just which reference are we going to, what website are we going to. And right in here, in the A, I'm going to put some text. Click to go to bettersheets.co, and the href is going to be https bettersheets.co. I'm going to add one extra thing, which is a target equals, in quotes, blank. So now this will just show me a little bit of text that says click to go to bettersheets.co, and then it'll give me a link to go. So I'm going to save this, Command S, or you can click this Save Project to Drive button next to Run. I'm going to go back to my sheet, and remember, I already opened the sheet again, so I have this menu, and it says go to Better Sheets. I'm going to click it, and nothing happened. Oh, that's because we've only created the HTML. We actually need to set some, show it. So spreadsheet app, get UI, show modal dialog. HTML is our variable, and we'll have a title of it. Let's say Better Sheets. So this HTML variable is right here. We want to set a width as well, set width. We can change this later, say 300, and we're going to set height 100. Let's see what that looks like. Save it all, back to our sheet, big gear menu, go to bettersheets.co. Oh, I do need to authorize, and every time, or not every time, but the first time somebody uses this, they will need to authorize it, yes. We can get around that with a little simple thing. Here's Better Sheets. Click to go to Better Sheets. Click, and there I am at bettersheets.co. Super awesome, right? But let's add one more item to here, because maybe they don't want to go to Better Sheets yet. Maybe they just want to find out about it. So add item about Better Sheets. And change that there and call this about, and write another function about. And here we don't want to go to another page, just we want to show some alert or show this modal dialog, right? We get, yes, HTML in here and write something that looks pretty cool. So we'll have HTML here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Get the UI again. Show modal dialog HTML, and this title will be about Better Sheets. I'm not going to bore you with this HTML. We are going to create another variable here, HTML content, and in backticks, we're going to write this. So we've written some HTML here. We want to see what it looks like. We have this function called up, and we've added this item. If we go back to our sheet and we look at our big gear menu, we don't have it yet. So make sure you save and refresh again so that it opens, that onOpen trigger triggers. Now we have about Better Sheets. And here we have a little bit about Better Sheets. We can also visit it from here or write some more text here. We can close this as well. So hopefully that gives you a really beginner insight into this custom menu, creating some simple automations that help people see what your sheet is about or see what your company is about if you're giving away sheets like I am. If you want to learn more about automations, check out my Udemy course. I'll put a link in the description. It's called Master Spreadsheet Automation. Just in 3 hours, we go through some pretty awesome things that you can do with automations and with AppScript over at Extensions AppScript. And AppScript is in every single Google Sheet. So just make better sheets, right? Let's go. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.